Did you know that we share about 98% of our DNA with chimpanzees, our closest relatives in the animal kingdom? This remarkable genetic similarity makes them a fascinating mirror of humanity, showcasing behaviors and characteristics that are strikingly familiar. Primarily found in the lush forests of Western and Central Africa, chimpanzees navigate their world much like we do, using tools and exhibiting complex social behaviors. They communicate with a rich repertoire of gestures, a staggering 90% of which we humans share. But despite their genetic and behavioral resemblance to us, chimpanzees are facing a shrinking world. Their populations are in decline, their habitats disappearing, and their survival threatened. These great apes, who live for about 50 to 60 years, are considered endangered, their numbers dwindling due to factors like poaching, infectious diseases, and habitat loss. These fascinating creatures mirror us in so many ways, yet they face threats that put their survival at risk. How do chimpanzees communicate and behave in their social groups? Let's explore. Chimpanzees, our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, have an intricate social structure. They exhibit a variety of behaviors that mirror our own, including the use of tools. They fashion sticks to fish for termites, use stones as hammers, and even crumple leaves to sponge up drinking water. But it's not just about survival skills. Chimps are also masters of communication. They employ a complex system of gestures, sharing a staggering 90% of these with humans. From beckoning to begging, these gestures are a vital part of their social interaction. Chimps are also incredibly aware of their fellow group members. They exhibit warning behaviors, alerting others to potential dangers. What's fascinating is that they adjust these warnings based on what they perceive the other chimps know. If a chimp believes another is unaware of a threat, they will make concerted efforts to communicate the danger. This level of empathy and understanding is a testament to their intelligence and social complexity. Just like us, chimps use sophisticated methods to communicate and navigate their social world. Ever wondered what a day in the life of a chimpanzee looks like? Well, let's delve into the captivating world of these incredible creatures. Chimpanzees lead an omnivorous lifestyle, consuming both meat and plants. They are often seen foraging for fruits, leaves, and insects during daylight hours. Their diet also includes an occasional treat of small mammals, making them an essential part of the ecosystem, controlling the population of certain species. Now you may be surprised to learn that chimpanzees have a flair for fashion. Yes, you heard it right. They have been observed picking up fashion habits from each other, adding an unexpected element of charm to their daily routines. Like humans, chimpanzees are susceptible to various diseases. They can catch respiratory illnesses, including the human rhinovirus C. They have also been found to show signs of Alzheimer's disease, with the presence of proteins and plaque in their brains. This shared vulnerability further emphasizes the deep genetic link we share with these fascinating beings. When it comes to their living quarters, chimpanzees are surprisingly tidy. Every night they build new nests in the treetops, ensuring that their sleeping spots are always clean. Imagine that, a fresh bed every single night. Chimpanzees also exhibit ritualistic behaviors, such as throwing stones at trees. The reasons behind this peculiar action remain a mystery, adding yet another layer of intrigue to their captivating lives. Chimpanzees lead complex and fascinating lives, much like our own in many ways. So, what are the main threats to these remarkable creatures, and what can we do to help? Chimpanzees, our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, face a number of serious threats. One of the most prevalent is poaching. These intelligent creatures are often hunted for their meat or captured to be sold in the illegal pet trade. This cruel practice not only endangers the species, but also disrupts their complex social structures. Additionally, chimpanzees are highly susceptible to infectious diseases, some of which they share with humans. Diseases like the respiratory rhinovirus C can spread rapidly within chimp communities, leading to significant population declines. Habitat loss is another major threat to these great apes. As we continue to exploit forests for agriculture, logging, and human settlements, the chimps lose their homes. They are left with dwindling resources, and their survival becomes increasingly challenging. Lastly, competition with humans for resources puts additional strain on their survival. With overlapping diets and habitats, the more dominant species, humans, often leave chimps with less to survive on. But it's not all doom and gloom. Many dedicated conservation efforts are underway to protect and preserve these remarkable creatures. These include anti-poaching initiatives, habitat restoration programs, and disease research. Public awareness campaigns play a vital role in these efforts, shedding light on the plight of these animals and the importance of their survival. As individuals, we can also contribute to the preservation of this species. This can be as simple as supporting organizations that protect chimpanzees and their habitats, or advocating for laws that combat illegal trade of wild animals. Even small actions like reducing our own use of resources can help to lessen the pressure on their habitats. In protecting our closest relatives, the chimpanzees, we safeguard a part of ourselves and the richness of our shared